Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find people you have unfriended on Facebook. So Facebook keeps your activity log. If you want to find people you have recently unfriended on Facebook, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Facebook app, navigate to your profile, click on the three dots at the right, click on activity log. Now expand connections, expand friends. Now click on removed friends. Here, you will find all the people you have removed on Facebook recently. These are the people you have just unfriended of Facebook. So if you scroll down, you're going to see more of it. They sort it by date. So that's how you find the people you have removed on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.